All right, everybody, we are going to make IKEA coffee, which is way too sour, more palatable. So fill up your carafe with enough water to account for your coffee, but then also the steam that's going to escape and the water that's going to be absorbed by the egg shell and coffee mixture. Boil it. Yeah. A little more just in case. This step's optional, but I prefer to grind it just so it's finer, so it sort of brews better. All right, this is where the magic happens. Make sure you unplug this bad boy before you do something like this. Yep. Now for the secret ingredient, egg. Yeah. All right, cool. So that's half the battle. The other half of the battle is crushing up the egg. You could do this by hand, but you'll get more surface area and it'll absorb into the coffee a lot faster. If you smash all up, pound that motherfucker. Atta baby. Oh yeah. Alright, so now you're going to mix these two bad boys. And think this through very well. Alright, it's getting there. So just stir all this together. There it is. It looks like brownie batter almost exactly. So, except with shards of eggshell in it. So the more eggs you use, the smoother the flavor you're going to get. But one will usually noticeably improve the taste of sour coffee. All right. So once we have come to a beautiful rolling boil, we can put the coffee in. Yeah. So I like to kind of scoop it in little pieces because I think it cooks better or brews better, whatever you want to call it. Looking good. Perfect. Mmm. Alright, so then brew it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, it's done. Look at it. It looks just like coffee, huh? Yeah. We'll get some of that in there. This is egg mush. This is egg coffee. It's basically ready to go immediately because it's not brewing anymore. You've already removed the coffee grounds. Mmm. Sweet, sweet, improved coffee. So there you have it, folks. It doesn't taste like garbage anymore. So just try this at home. Fun.